Sunday. Guess where I am at? You can see the background, a very beautiful peak with a little snow there. Let me know where I am at. All right, write the comments. See you there. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Hope you guys doing great. I'm in Portland, Oregon, at my sister's house for a week to spend time with my family. And it's a lovely day here today. As you can see, the neighborhood, my sister's house this is her house. You can see, and looks like it's gonna rain a little bit. We're heading to Portland City, and the neighborhood is like this. It's a very close-knit community here in Lincoln City, Oregon coast. Wow. So you see the black cloud behind, and my friend is getting ready, and ciao. Oh, that is. Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys doing great. Wednesday morning, April 19, and we're going on a walk in the neighborhood, Lincoln City. My brother, my friend, and my sister's coming too. Oh, City Lido. She is coming. Wow. Ah. 주제 가져도 되지? It's my sister. We're very health conscious. Wow. Some of the show ye lagar song. Any data the Poland gijigan lady. Today is April 19th. I am at the Northwest Tibetan Community Center. They are doing the Vlogger celebration today with dance, and I will go inside and show you. Okay?
소셜 라이프 제공해도 고등님만 잘못해도
So.
남자 소셜 라이프 제공해.
The show nyang depression, inches among depression. Inches the case. The depression one check do again. Bilin ma chom so. Me got the pet call dashara nalo. Chicharu da nyobaro. Chom na mang chom so pen yo. The COVID the zero lockdown chi the Xi Jinping.